moving on to the second half of the Agriculture Economics Chapter 1 lecture. We're going to talk about positive versus normative economics, and these are two different types of economic suggestions that you can have. Positive economics focuses on what is and what would happen if questions and policy issues. Most of these responses in this type of economics is going to be based in facts. So somewhere someone has taken a bunch of data down and conducted some research, worked with that data, or taken a soil sample and analyzed it and come back with some information, and that's where they're coming up with their suggestion, because it's based in facts. Normative economics, on the other hand, deals with what should be or what ought to be questions. So this is going to be some speculation, where they're going to basically just kind of give you their opinion, not necessarily do any research to figure it out, but you perhaps ask your neighbor down the road, what you should plant this year, and he just kind of thinks it might be a good corn year, so he tells you to plant corn. But he didn't really do any research on it, he just kind of gave you his opinions. That would be considered normative economics. So we're going to look at some examples of these types of economic statements, and you're going to tell me if it's a positive or a normative statement. And just go ahead and do this right here at your desk, and you don't necessarily have to write down all the words in here, but you can go ahead and write down the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then right after those numbers write down if you think it's a positive economic statement or a normative economic statement. And I'm going to go ahead and let you have a few minutes to do that.